we're going to explore what would happen if the Hoover Dam were to catastrophically fail. 1. The immediate effect would be a massive release of water. Imagine a wall of water, hundreds of feet high, surging downstream. 2. The sheer volume of water would be devastating. The initial wave would likely wipe out everything in its path for miles, including towns, infrastructure, and farmland along the Colorado River. 3. The speed of this wave would be incredibly fast, giving little to no warning to people downstream. 4. Beyond the initial wave, the ongoing flow of water from Lake Mead would continue for a considerable time, causing prolonged and extensive flooding. 5. This prolonged flooding would not only destroy property and lives, but could also cause significant damage to ecosystems and water sources further downstream. 6. The destruction of the dam itself would release large amounts of sediment that have been trapped behind the dam for decades. This sediment would clog waterways, further damaging ecosystems and potentially causing additional flooding problems. 7. The loss of the hydroelectric power generated by the Hoover Dam would be a major blow to the power grids of Nevada, Arizona, and California, potentially causing widespread power outages. 8. Beyond the immediate damage, there would be long-term consequences. The economic impact would be enormous, considering the loss of property, infrastructure, and the disruption of industries dependent on the Colorado River. 9. The social and humanitarian consequences could also be severe, with displacement of populations, loss of life, and lasting psychological trauma. 10. The recovery effort would be immense, requiring extensive resources and a long-term plan for rebuilding infrastructure and restoring damaged ecosystems. 11. It's important to note that the actual consequences would depend heavily on the nature of the dam's failure. A gradual collapse would be different from a sudden catastrophic one. Regardless, the devastation would be widespread and far-reaching. 12. While a complete failure of the Hoover Dam is considered highly unlikely due to ongoing maintenance and inspections, understanding the potential consequences is crucial for preparedness and disaster planning.